Why does our stomach growl when we are hungry? Even when you're not eating, your guts are active. Your intestines contract and push leftover food and air around like a cleanup crew. That gurgly sound is air bubbles moving and squishing through your guts, like a washing machine for your insides. Stomach growling isn't just from hunger, it's your digestive system doing maintenance between meals. It's basically your insides yelling, "Clear the runway, next meal landing soon." More air, louder growls. The official name? Borborygmi. Sounds like a wizard spell, right? Why does our stomach growl when we